Egypt is home to the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, built over 4,500 years ago. The Pyramid of Giza is the only surviving member of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Khufu's pyramid is the oldest and largest, rising at 481 feet. It is the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. The Sphinx is a 241 feet long monument built during the reign of Khafra. The creature is a mythical being, commonly found in Greek, Egyptian, and even South Asian ancient architecture. The shape of the pyramid, with its sloping sides converging to a point at the top, was believed to represent the rays of the sun extending down to earth. This symbolism reflects the ancient Egyptian belief in the pharaoh's role as an intermediary between the gods and the people. Inside the pyramid are several chambers, including the king's chamber and the queen's chamber. The purpose of these chambers is still not entirely understood, but they are thought to have served as burial chambers for Pharaoh Khufu and possibly his family members. These facts only scratch the surface of the rich history and mystery surrounding the Pyramid of Giza, a monument that continues to captivate the imagination of people around the world.